billion-dollar puppet master just placed a time bomb on the silver price. Do this now. One of the top players in the silver industry has literally dropped a secret weapon into the price of silver, and it's about to explode. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, look at this. This is from barchart.com, and they're showing that Endeavor Silver Corp, which is a mid-tier precious metals mining company, what they've done is they've put in place a zero-cost price collar over the next 12 months for silver. With this collar, this gives them 1 million ounces of silver to play with, basically. Within that 1 million ounces, their price collar starts at $31 an ounce and tops off at $42 an ounce. Now, let me explain what this means in plain English for you and I. The price collar means that if silver dips below $31 an ounce, which is your buy price, but if it dips below that, they're fine. If the price of silver, the spot price, goes above $42 an ounce, that's their top. If it goes to $45, $46, $47 an ounce, they essentially lose money because they're not going to get any of that gain. So they have that window. And the good thing for a major company like this is that they don't put this money up front. This is a hedge. They're hedging silver. Now, historically, when a player like this does a price collar, makes a move like this for silver, their peers start to follow. And that causes a tightening in the supply of silver for you and I. A tightening in a market in which we're already too tight. We don't have enough silver. This is the 5th year running in which there's not enough silver to meet demand. So when a player like this places that, there's no other way to explain it, a time bomb there in the price of silver, as this rolls out and other peers start to jump in and put their own time bombs in, it constrains the supply of silver. And that, of course, makes our price go up. So if presently, if you're feeling like, oh, $36, $37 an ounce is not your buy price, you're waiting for silver to drop down, well, this tells you that this is the dip. We're in it right now. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just showing you the pattern of silver and how this market is moving, because that is literally a bomb that is set to follow this momentum that we already have for silver price, already moving up toward $40. This is really going to skyrocket it. Well, get your own silver. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest, 20 silver eagles. Click that link, take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.